Hi everyone, it's Tammy and today is day 9 of Vlogmas. So I am sitting here eating my lunch and trying to decide what I want to work on knitting, and I'm watching YouTube, so I thought I'd just check in and say hello. Sorry the glare is so bright from the sun. Today I hope to take my dog Taz into, sorry, I have some lunch in my tooth, to see Santa Claus. I'm so excited for him. It's between 1 and 3, so I'm planning to do that probably, I don't know, closer, to the end time, so that hopefully there won't be as many people. That's what I'm thinking. So yeah, so let me show you what I'm doing. So here's what's left of my lunch. I had a couple more pieces of ham, and I'm eating some cheese, and there's my remotes. And I have gotten all of my washcloths together with the packaging. I'm just waiting for the soap, which should arrive today from Amazon. And I have a Christy Glass show on, and I have a few project bags here of things to do, and I may do my podcast today as well. So we shall see what I get done. But that's the plan so far today. So I hope that you have a good Vlogmas Day 9.
That's funny. Here we go. Okay. Oh, thank you. Good boy. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah.
Taz.
There you go. Oh, goodness. Okay, get it. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay.
Way to go,
Can you
Taz.
sit? Can you sit? Can you sit, bud? All right, let's get here. Can you sit? There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh. Oh, there's speaker, boy. Here, Taz. Hi. Over here, look. Yay. Oh, good boy. Yay.
Oh,
Okay? All right, bud. Choke on a tree. Goodness. Take a deep breath. Got it. All right, bud.
he has allergies, so I mean he's really okay.
Do we feel better now? Did we get it? Better? There we go. Okay. Yeah, Taz, oh, good boy. I'm going to turn around. Hey, buddy. Come here. Oh, are you being camera shy? Oh, good boy. What's this? Yay! Cute. Cute.
You're so happy.
Good boy.
Okay guys, it's Tammy, and I am just now leaving the Santa Claus with Taz. Oh my gosh, it was so cute. We walked right in. I didn't have to wait at all. Last year I had to wait, so I brought some knitting to do, and this time I didn't even have to wait. So my boy just had his picture taken with Santa, and I will put some video at the end of this so you guys can see how cute it was. He was a good boy. Now he does have allergies. He takes prednisone every day, but I didn't give it to him today, and I don't think that we gave it to him yesterday, so I say he takes it every day, but he takes it as needed, and he didn't really seem to need it, but clearly you'll see in the video he's kind of coughy and puny, but he's not, I mean, he's fine. It's just that. So I'm gonna have to give him a dose of that when we get home, and before he goes to the groomer tomorrow for sure. It's the same place. So, and they're so cute. They all know him, and he walked in and they're like, Taz! It was so cute. So let me move you guys over so you can see my boy. There's that boy. There's that Tasmania. Yes, indeed. He's so cute. Say happy Vlogmas to everyone. Tell everyone that you saw Santa Claus and that you told him that you want treats. Can I, Mama, have a kiss? You're the best dog ever. Yes, you are. You're the bestest doggy ever. So that is my boy. So I did do my video for my knitting podcast. So that's good. It's been quite a productive day. I did color my hair. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier or not, but I got that done. I'm sorry, I have gum in my mouth. That's not very professional. But who I hear claim to be a professional? Certainly not me. So have fancy earrings on. I think I got them in one of my subscription boxes, but I don't remember which one. They're really, really light. I don't even think about them until I feel them like hit my neck or something. But I think I like them. They look like ornaments. I mean, I don't think that they're intended to be Christmas earrings, but my boy's laying down now. He had a busy 15 minutes. He's just the best. I love this dog. I love him, I love him, I love him, I love him, I love him. He's a good boy. And Mama bought him a treat. I don't know what it is exactly, but I'll give it to him when we get home. I was gonna get 2, but they were $15 each, so I'm like, ooh, it better be good, but I don't want to spend 30 bucks on treats, because I thought one could be for his Christmas stocking, but I'll give it to him when we get home, and I'll still get him some treats for his Christmas stocking. So I guess I can let you guys go. I'm just thinking about Christmas things right now and how crazy it is, because we want to go to this place called Metamora, which is like an old-fashioned Christmas village. I'm trying to pick out the best day to go, and I was kind of thinking on the 22nd would be a good day, but then I just got word from Katie that her aunt is having a Christmas party on that day, so she wanted me to know that. So I don't know. Do I just not take her? I don't know. It's crazy, you know? I mean, I don't know. I'll figure it out for sure, and I'll take her for sure. I'll just have to figure out the best time. All right, I'll let you guys go. That might be it for Vlogmas today. If it is, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.